Piyush Goyal has assured that the CRR hike by the RBI is a temporary one and that the government is planning to seek the Parliament's nod to increase the limit for market stabilisation scheme securities. In fact, in an exclusive conversation with CNBC TV 18 Shereen Bhan, the Minister also shared his take on the expectations from the upcoming budget. Here's a slice of that exclusive interview. Take a look.
One is the assumption that the CRR hike is a temporary measure announced by the Reserve Bank. We don't know.
We saw the measure.
We saw it. But that doesn't mean it can't be extended.
I'm sure everybody will realize that nearly 300,000 crores, 3 lakh crores has come into the banking system quite suddenly. The banks do need avenues to deploy that. And for that, one of the avenues is an instrument that the Reserve Bank needs the Government of India's permission. It's an
MSS bond.
Yes, the MSS bonds. Now, Parliament is in session, so we cannot even issue an ordinance. The government will go to Parliament. Government has to get it approved by Parliament to issue more MSS bonds. That process is underway.
So the decision's been taken?
Even the RBI announcement says it is for this fortnight until 9th of December or earlier, if you read the notification. So it's a temporary mop-up, and clearly at zero interest, we are not going to cause the banks distress. Having said that, Reserve Bank is the final authority on monetary policy. They have to also calibrate Indian interest rates, look at the international global scenario, what's happening in American interest rates. So I think we should leave that function best to them. But I do see that with more and more money coming into the formal economy, and with the inflation being at pretty reasonable levels, interest will be a factor in spurring growth in the days to come. It will help us to increase particularly the affordable housing segment.
So what should we truly expect with the budget being advanced to the 1st of February?
We should expect good things on the 1st of February. Well, Finance Minister Mr. Jaitley, if you see over the last 3 budgets, July 14, February 15 and February 16, has consistently worked on a series of measures. Very clearly, Finance Minister Jaitley focused on a sustainable framework for India's development. He never tinkered with rates, with minor changes here and there. He looked at structural improvements so that India can move towards an economy which maybe like China sees 2 or 3 decades of consistent high-level growth.